What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and y'all already know how I get down. This is another voucher video. If y'all think I'm just really paying people just to make these videos or whatever, y'all crazy. And with that being said, people really paying to invest in themselves and learn information that's very helpful, that can really get them rich. Let them know what you paid for it. Let them know what you got and if it was worth it or not.
Yes, it was definitely worth it. The $600 for the course, and I paid I skipped the line, and I got the proxy. What to do with the live card?
I told you about the Cashapp glitch, right?
Yes, you did.
It makes sense, right?
Yes, it makes perfect sense.
Just bada bing, bada boom, do this, do that, bow. Just gotta have it explained to you, right?
Yes.
I told you about the live cards, right?
Yes, sir, you did.
What's that L word I used?
You want me to say it?
You can say it.
Alonda.
Okay. And what site we gonna be using that L word on?
Amazon.
All right, yeah, boom. See, listen, I'm asking these questions because this is what people wants to know. I told you about CPNs, right?
Yes, sir.
Easy, right?
It was very easy.
Sweet, right?
Yes.
Listen, man, I'm really out here giving people lessons. I told you about credit, right?
Yes, you did.
How to get it popping, right?
You did.
Listen, if y'all still think this is a game, you should be ashamed. I'm really out here blessing people with this information, this positive information, this good information. No scams. People paying, they getting what they pay for. And, you know, sometimes it might take a little longer, but I'm one person. There's only so many people I could talk to in a day, in a month, in a week, all type. I got a life. Got like other things going on. I got businesses. I got employees I got to handle. I got music. I got 20 YouTube channels. I got other things going on. So as long as you serious, I'm going to always keep in contact with you. I'm going to always keep my word. I told you I was going to call, right? And I called, right? I hit you up, right?
You hit me up first.
Let me show y'all, like, let y'all know this, you know what I'm saying? This Telegram, because people like, oh, you see that, right? You online? 810. Yes, sir. Outgoing call. Sorry. Boom, boom. Called him back. Y'all see that green line right there? You know what I'm saying? Boom. Let me click that. I'm gonna click that for y'all. It's gonna go right back to the video. Dang. Wait. Boom. But y'all already know, man, it's your boy King Hussle, really giving people the gems, really giving people what they pay for, and really helping people out, giving them the information. I showed you how to make $50,000 a month off profit, right?
Yes.
I'm about 500 for 500 with these lessons. So make sure y'all tap it in. Make sure y'all come to get y'all gems in person or FaceTime 101, unlimited gems, Cashapp or Bitcoin payment, 645 or 5500. Don't miss out. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next watch video. Peace.